Hello guys, hope you all are doing amazing and welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys my Ayurvedic hair mask treatment routine with you guys. I've been using this for quite some time now, okay, and I usually love the results, so I just decided to share it with you guys. So to start off, I'm just going to go ahead and first detangle my hair. Guys, I've been styling my hair so much lately that it is so tangled right now and it definitely needs detangling. So I went in with my conditioner and my almond oil, mixed that together, applied that to my hair, divided it into two sections, and then I just start off with the detangling process. So for detangling, if you have been here for a long time, you know that first I like starting off with finger detangling. Just make use of my finger to separate any tangles or knots that I may have formed in my hair. Most of the time I don't skip detangling, especially if I have styled my hair so much throughout the week. So guys, let me know, are you team detangle before shampooing or team detangle after shampooing? Let me know in the comment section. After finger detangling, I just go in with my white tooth comb. Just make sure I use this to, detangle first before I go in with my brush. Guys, I've been loving this brush lately for detangling my hair when it's wet, okay? This doesn't really work well with dry hair, but once your hair is wet, this works so well. So after detangling, I just went ahead to rinse off the conditioner and then move on to shampooing. So for today, I'll be making use of this Cream of Nature Argan Oil sulfate free shampoo, okay? So this smells so nice. So I just put that all over my palm, work it into my hair. So now that my hair is clean and fresh, let's move on to making the Ayurvedic hair mask. So first you need a bowl. Also be needing your amla powder. So this is the one I make use of. I just measured about 3 spoons of that. And next you also be needing your moringa powder, 3 spoons of that as well, and add it a little bit. You can just eyeball these ingredients, okay? It doesn't have to be accurate, just make enough to cover your entire hair. And last thing I went in with is neem powder. I eyeballed that as well, and a little bit of warm water to help properly mix the paste together. Just keep adding, and you don't want to add too much, just enough to make a paste like this. And lastly, I added 1 spoon of almond oil and then mix that up. You can make use of any oil of your choice. So for application, you want to make sure you're applying this on a damp hair, okay, not dry, okay? If your hair is dry, you can just go ahead and add back some water to it. So you want to section your hair into 4 workable sections and then start applying the paste. Make sure you work it all over your hair strand, okay, your ends as well. Make sure you work it in properly. When it comes to Ayurvedic hair masks, it has tons and tons of benefits, okay? It nourishes the scalp, stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair follicle, helps relieve dandruff and itchiness, helps with color enhancements like amla enhances and also darkens hair color. It also helps restore damaged hair over time, okay? Ayurvedic hair masks balance the scalp's pH and also calms irritation. Whatever your hair needs are, Ayurvedic hair masks has tons and tons of benefits for your hair. My curls look so good right now. So after application, you want to let this sit on your hair so that your hair can absorb all the goodness of the herbs. So you just want to go ahead and throw on a shower cap or a plastic bag and just let it sit for about an hour. So when the timer is up, I went ahead to rinse out the mask. So I made use of lukewarm water for this, and after that I make sure to follow up with a conditioner. So guys, with this hair mask, after application, I just love how my hair feels during the week, because it also helps improve the texture of my hair, makes it softer, smoother and more manageable. It also helps reduce frizz and split ends, okay? And another thing I love about this mask is that it is natural and chemical free. It is not harsh on my hair or anything. So guys, it is important you take your time to rinse out all that hair marks out of your hair, because sometimes these hair marks tends to leave residue of the herbs on the hair, or even particles on the hair and as well as on the roots. And if it's not properly rinsed out, this residue can cause dandruff or cause product buildup over time. So if you also struggle with getting particles out of your hair after applying hair masks, so here's a pro tip on how I properly remove any particles or residue from my hair. So as you can see that there is tiny little particles on this brush, which indicates that my hair still contains particles from the mask. So what I like to do is that I stand under the running shower, then run the brush through my hair multiple times. I do this in sections, okay? So the residue comes off easily as I run the brush through my hair. So you want to keep doing this until that section is clear, and then just repeat that on other section. And here you can see that the brush does not contain any tiny particles anymore. That means that my hair is all clear. And next, I finish up with the rest of my wash routine. I applied a leave-in conditioner, braided my hair, and let me know, will you be trying these hair masks? So that is that for this video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.